on the subject.
I stand to support this bill. Sir, I request the Honorable Minister, sir, please, Minister, to consider restoring the MP lands, because that's very important. All the members across the House, irrespective of the parties, they're all on one page saying that the MP lands which have been which have not been government has not been giving, that has to be restored. Sir, point number 2, which is very, very important, even in the earlier occasions also, it has come up for discussion, is that those members who are involved in disrupting the proceedings of the House, for them the salary should be cut in proportion, and because they are squarely responsible for the disruption of the House, irrespective of the political, whether it is treasury benches or opposition benches, their salary is to be cut. And that is, in fact, rather than it, apart from the cutting of salary, even the penalty should also be considered to be imposed on those members. It is my considered opinion, sir.
Thank you.
And sir, one more point.
Please.
Sir, see, it is only a symbolic gesture. Cutting salary for this purpose, it is only a symbolic step, and steps in the right message that India's ministers are also are with the people of India in the fight against the pandemic. Globally, also, the political leaders have sent a message to their people by taking salary cut. For example, sir, in New Zealand, there's a 20% cut, and Singapore also 1 month salary cut. And while the cut would not be significantly change the financial position of the government, the move is a demonstration in a right direction. Sir, one last paragraph. Lastly, sir, I would like to appreciate all the private companies in India who have resolved to have a pay cut for their higher level management, so that the other new and junior staff get their full salary. With public representatives should lead the example by passing the bill.
Please conclude now. Thank you.